Hello everyone, I'm back, and in this short video I will show you a very useful Android app. It comes in handy for music producers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Um, just go to the Play Store and type in there Perfect Piano. Okay, here it is, Perfect Piano, and I have already installed it. So go ahead and download it now. So click on here. Now they have all these fancy options in here, and I gotta say the user interface is really smooth. I'm gonna only show you the first and the second one of them for today. The first one is learn to play, where you can actually learn how to play piano in your phone. Now they comes up with pretty good preloaded sounds in here. They are all preloaded. Okay, let me play the first one. Just click on the easy and click on start. Okay, I missed that. Oh. You can play around with all these preloaded sounds. That's pretty cool. I just installed this, so I gotta check that out too. So here the keyboard itself, this is the best. And if you swipe this, you have all the notes in here. Okay, all the notes. Okay, and it is amazing. It is hard to believe that this is free. Now here you can select the pianos, where you can select acoustic, synth, and Morse, music box, and bright. Okay, here you have metronome. I'm gonna turn that off, and here you have it, chords mode. Like I said, I just installed this app, so I gotta learn. Let's get back to the single row mode, and here you can record. You can not just record the piano, but you can also record with the mic. Okay, I think that is pretty dope. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope you like this video and enjoy. Please make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. That's it guys, I'm out.